We're going to make a healthy, low-calorie tiramisu that's just as rich, creamy, and indulgent as the classic, but without the eggs, the heavy cream, and the refined sugar. First, we need coffee. Brew 1 cup of your favorite coffee and let it cool while we prep the other layers. Next, we're going to make that delicious creamy layer. Instead of mascarpone, we're using silken tofu. Add it to the blender with a thick, creamy part of a can of full-fat coconut cream, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now blend it until it's completely smooth and creamy. Now onto the cookie layer. In this recipe, we're using tea biscuits instead of ladyfingers. Dip each biscuit into the cooled coffee. Lay half of them at the bottom of an 8x8 baking pan. Then, spread half of that creamy mixture right on top and smooth it out. Repeat with another layer of the coffee-dipped biscuits and the rest of the cream. Cover your tiramisu and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. The flavors will blend together and everything will set up beautifully. Right before serving, dust the top with some unsweetened cocoa powder because what's tiramisu without that rich, chocolatey finish? If you make this recipe, let me know in the comments section down below how your tiramisu turned out. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe for more tasty, vegan, healthy dessert recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.